Discord is not the solution to all your problems. If you already started building your community on the platform, then you probably know why I'm saying that. Hello ladies and gentlemen. If you've watched some of our previous episodes, then you're probably a community builder, or you're really in love with us. Kidding. Either way, we're you can cut the kidding out, yeah? Either way, we're glad to have you on board. In fact, I'm so happy that I'm going to stop you from making a real rookie mistake in your community building journey. Now, if you've just started building your community, then you must be acquainted with some popular community platforms. We have Slack, Tribe, Circled, and Discord. Most people think Discord is one of the best community platforms out there in the market. But when we ran our own community of over 50,000 members, we found a broken workflow. Now, obviously, I was overjoyed when this happened because
I don't want peace, I want problems. Always.
Just kidding, guys. The whole situation was quite a bummer for the entire Scenes team. We kept having to use Discord, Zoom, Reddit, Google Calendar, Notion, and 500 other apps that you've never heard of to get stuff done. The whole process was more painful than my wisdom tooth extraction. And that's saying a lot. So that's what we're going to discuss in this video. No, not my dentist appointment. That's a horror story for another time. But challenges we faced while running a Discord community. Stay tuned. So frankly speaking, what bothered us the most on Discord was the voice rooms. While hosting an event in your community, you need voice interaction. A way for the community to be able to interact with each other over voice channels. Discord's voice rooms can get annoying. This is because anyone can unmute themselves in a conversation. Some people join in with their mics on, so when they cough or play the television in the background, everyone else can hear it. Without a 24/7 moderator, there's nothing you can do except watch a conversation get ruined in real time. We solved this problem with Scenes by allowing people to spawn temporary voice rooms. They also get temporary moderator permissions over that room. This solves a problem and gives so much quality engagement in return. You don't even have to worry about your moderators burning out. We also faced issues with calendars and scheduling events. In the past, we tried connecting Discord with the Add to Google Calendar feature as a solution. The problem is that the calendar invite would only send users to the main server, not the channel where the event was currently taking place. Scenes solves this entire workflow. It has an inbuilt Zoom stage channel and a connected calendar channel. It also allows you to segment the right kind of people for the right event by limiting the roles that can attend the event. So, creating a newbie-only event is now a piece of cake. With the mobile app, event notifications reach more people as well by taking up real estate on the phone notification tray itself. That annoying thing, the one that basically keeps you pinned to your phone, where you're just like, you're actually not engaging with humanity, but you're just like stuck on this Android. In fact, we recently conducted a fintech event called All About Money, with more than 13,000 people on stage. We expected many people attending via mobile and low-end internet connections, so we pre-optimized for these situations with our team. Through Scenes, you can create unlimited events and schedule for the entire year in one shot if you have to. Discord also made it hard for us to realize the full potential of forums. Forums are a great way to express yourself while maintaining pseudonymity. Scenes have slots for real names, but doesn't enforce that people use them while signing up. We do, however, require mobile number verification via a code to prevent bot and spam accounts. Managing chats is another challenge you're bound to face on Discord. Discord is very difficult to use on mobile. Since chat activity in the future is primarily going to come from mobile, you need something that can behave like Discord on the web, but like WhatsApp or iMessage on the phone. Migrating a chat community tool to a forum tool takes a lot of time and effort too. You can do this seamlessly on Scenes because both channels are on the same tool, so you don't erode social capital on the switch. The next challenge was firefighting. No, that doesn't involve dousing flames or saving cute little kittens from a burning building. What we mean by firefighting is resolving conflicts. As your community scales, you're going to spend a lot of time on this. With our own Discord community, we ran into many conflicts, and the same set of issues continued onward onto communities on scenes. Now imagine that a huge fight has broken out in your community. It's a dull day, and member X thought it would be fun to throw shade at member Y's fashion sense. Soon enough, the conflict progresses from friendly banter on whether chinos pair well with sneakers to a full-blown fight with keyboards typing furiously and slurs thrown in like nobody's business. So, as a community manager, you can watch the whole thing play out, but you can't do a thing from your phone because mobile support on Discord sucks. That brings us to our next point, mobile support. We talked about this in our previous video on how to make your community more visible. Link in the description. Without mobile support, you might as well not do community. As an application, Discord isn't very mobile friendly, which was a huge challenge for us. Discord notifications can also become extremely annoying as they come in one after the other and occupy a lot of space. But unlike Discord, Scenes threads together chats like WhatsApp after 1 to 2 messages, saving a ton of real estate and pissed off users. Another aspect we need to look at in a community is one-to-one engagement. Direct messages, DMs, in communities aren't the best idea. Even though one-to-one engagement can be a value add that your community provides its members, there are kinks in human wiring that prevents all members from being effective users of DMs. Kinks like this. This is why Scenes has a follower following system, and DMs can only be sent post that association. They are disabled by default. You will have to enable them as an admin. As a group of community builders who have used pretty much every community platform under the sun, we felt we needed to create a product that could solve the issues we faced in our community journey. This was where the idea of Scenes was born. So if you're looking for the right community platform, then look no further. Check out the link to the Scenes platform in the description box below.